Most runners think running faster is the key to improving their speed. But what if I told you the secret to getting faster is actually slowing down? Welcome to Easy Running. Today, we're exploring contrarian speed training and why running slower could be your key to a new personal best. Running slower doesn't just save energy, it trains your body to become more efficient. By running at a lower intensity, you're building your aerobic capacity, strengthening your endurance, and teaching your body to use oxygen more efficiently. Have you ever heard of Zone 2 training? It's the sweet spot where your body burns fat for fuel. By running slower, you spend more time in this optimal zone, turning your body into an endurance powerhouse. Here's the twist. When you train slower, your body learns to sustain faster speeds for longer. It sounds counterintuitive, but by building your endurance with slow runs, you're preparing your muscles and mind for when it's time to sprint. It's not just physical. Running slower has mental benefits too. It allows you to relax, enjoy the process, and avoid burnout. By running slower, you can stay consistent, injury-free, and in love with the sport for years to come. So how do you incorporate slower runs into your routine? Try dedicating 70 to 80% of your weekly runs to slower, steady efforts. Build that base, then watch as your speed naturally increases when it counts. Next time you hit the pavement, remember, running slower might just be the fastest way to your goals. Want more contrarian tips on improving your run? Subscribe to Easy Running and hit that bell icon. See you on the trail.